Audio Jungle. Hi everyone, welcome to Samrab News. Before continuing the further news, we instruct everyone to wear mask and apply sanitizer and maintain social distance. We are proud that 100 crore people have vaccinated. Today's headlines. International level seminar has been planned and the further discussion is on. 2021, the grand celebration of graduation was organized on November 2nd, 2021. A workshop on NEP is planned and to be scheduled on last week of this month. BHM student industrial visit is to be scheduled on 19th November has invited our student to illustrate the various department of hotels. The Department of Commerce and the Department of Computer Application propose to conduct a seminar which will be held on 27th of this month. Now the news in detail. Talking in the academic staff meeting, our principal has confirmed that there would be an international meeting titled as Leadership in Hospitality Industry and associated with Help University Malaysia, scheduled to be organized on December 2nd week.
Sambram College of Hotel Management proudly announces that there could be one more international seminar from Malaysia, and as we all know that we all have a tie-up with Help University, who is going to conduct the next international seminar titled as Leadership in Hospitality Industry, which is going to be one of the vital program for our students.
Hi, this is Faizan. Kannada Rajyotsava was celebrated on November 1st. Our principal, Dr. M. Kannan, hosted the flag, and Mr. Nagaraj, language faculty, facilitated the program.
Our magazine was appreciated by the Vice Chancellor of Bangalore North University, Dr. Kumuda, who has appreciated all the team members of Samram College of Hotel Management staffs. Bangalore North University syndicate member Srimati Ashwini Shankar has acknowledged that this magazine would enlighten all the students' community.
Our academic partner, Debre Tabor University President, Dr. Anegra Gasio, has mentioned that the magazines of Samram College of Hotel Management would be an eye-opening material, and it could be a piece of intellectual tool for students.
Presenting in the academic plan meeting, Mr. Jeeva, the HOD of BHM, who has expressed his proposed plan of industrial visit on 29th November.
The Bangalore North University has conducted the workshop on new education policy. Professor Hurmatun Nisa, HOD of BBA, and Professor Mary Sophia from BHM attended the program. Various points were discussed in the meeting to enhance the quality of education. Valuable suggestions were given by the faculties from various colleges.
Tell us a little bit about the kind of impact this kind of policy will have on the state.
See, if the society has to progress, it needs to address its shortcomings or lacuna. It can happen only through education, a right education with a right skill. So in this direction, to strengthen the society, we need to rectify the education system. To tell it very short, earlier the learning system was in the system there was a lot of rigidity. Now there is a lot of flexibility. It has become student centric, and the student is allowed to choose whichever subjects you want to pursue or you want to study.
After 36 years, a new education policy has been changed. The policy name like NEP, that is National Education Policy. And through this NEP, lot of students has been benefited. With this, we had a workshop where we have attended. And the n number of questions were asked by the lecturers, and it was clarified by the committee members.
Our BHM department has planned to organize the wine preparing ceremony, which will be on November 19.
Wine connects happiness and friendship. It is a symbol of transformation, as grapes undergo transformation when they are fermented. But the Christmas wines are something special, isn't it? Welcome to the express ceremony of Sambram.
The Cultural Committee has outlined the proposed plan for inter-college cultural competition, which is expected to be conducted in the second week of January 2022.
For the past 2 years, due to pandemic, our college is unable to conduct the program. So this year we are going to plan in the month of Jan. So the program is going to be very in a grand manner. We have created an opportunity to all college students where they can exhibit their talents.
Our College Freshers Day was organized on October 29, 2021. The program was honored by Dr. Jyoti, Professor of KGF Dental Science, and Mr. Rockline, Manager of Sylvan Villa.
Rockling sir from Sylvan Villa.
The cake mixing ceremony will be organized on 26th November.
Christmas is a never-ending fascination with its glittering stars, cribs, decorated Christmas trees, and all about the yummy cakes. Even though Christmas season is quite few days away, the pre-preparations have kicked off. In fact, Christmas cakes and wines are prepared long before Christmas season. Cake mixing is one of the most awaited traditional rituals of Christian households, hotels and cafes that marks the onset of Christmas season. Cake mixing, it is the marking of arrival of harvest season. Here Sambram College is very excited to do the cake mixing with fruits, nuts, spices and liquors. This is Sophia here for the Sambram News.
Our graduation we recently organized has made indelible memories for students and staffs. Addressing on the graduations, our Honorable Chairman Dr. Nagaraj has advised our students that they would follow the parental direction and the significance of preserving the positive character.
After you are a graduate, what can you do to the society? Yes, you all must get good jobs, you must go abroad, get very good opportunities, it's fine.
The chief guest of the graduation day, Dr. Manika Vasagam, the former director of IIT, has expressed his greetings and the symbolism of educational value in the current scenario.
If you are
Our principal, Dr. Kannan, has acknowledged his formal greeting and the role of being the competent graduate in the current situation. Addressing further, he unfolded the history of the Apple CEO Steve Jobs.
But only few people were lucky enough to reach. But we feel proud that we are having wonderful chief guests today.
The Samram College of Nursing principal, Dr. Indra Joseph, has greeted all the students and remarked that the value of being a good human being is how you have cleansed your soul.
I am very much pleased and glad that I am present and part of this college event.
Mrs. Tamarai Selvi has shared the overview of Samram College of Hotel Management annual report. Ms. Monica, the HOD of Master of Commerce, has acted as the Master of Ceremony, and Mr. Jiva, the HOD of BHM, has welcomed all the students and parents. Mr. Karthik, the HOD of Commerce, has expressed a vote of thanks. Once again, today's headlines.
International level seminar has been planned and the further discussion is on. 2021, the grand celebration of graduation was organized on November 2nd, 2021. A workshop on NEP is planned and to be scheduled on last week of this month. BHM student industrial visit is to be scheduled on 19th November, has invited our student to illustrate the various department of hotels. The Department of Commerce and the Department of Computer Application propose to conduct a seminar which will be held on 27th of this month.
That is the end of the today's news. Thank you.